it's me Decoder here. In this video I will show you how you can prevent the screen overlay detected in Android Marshmallow. To do this, go to your Play Store and search for install button unlocker. Here it comes, install button unlocker. Click on install. It will download. After downloading, open the app. It will need some permissions, so give it some permissions. Now go to target. Now you can switch on all the buttons here. Now go to option and click that unlock. Now you don't have to go over history. Go to permission. Click this button, give it the accessibility permission, click on OK and head over to the application. Now it give access for the storage, but there is one problem. It shows ads a little bit, but that's not a problem. You will have your screen overlay detected problem fixed. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. This was a short video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and push notifications so you don't miss any of the latest uploads from me. Thanks.